ribbon.
Here we are, June 12th, 2012. Dad just finished putting together the chicken coop. We planted grass in here for them. Very, very well done. Okay, it's recording. I'm going to go in and let the babies out. God help me. Ouch. Can you guys lock me in? Dun, 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 dun.
Instead of cutting of the ribbon, it's removing of the screw.
Hi, babies.
It's got to pull back on the board. Got to pull back on the board.
Oh, okay.
While you're undoing it. No, while you're undoing it.
That one's like... Oh, right. Hey! Come on! I don't know if they will or if they're scared.
Take a couple out. Oh.
Hi! Hey, girls! Hey! What do you think?
Mama.
Thank you. Is this still recording?
Look at all of them. They're like,
Hey, girls! Hey! Yeah, you recognize my feet to pack, hey? There's Horatio, making sure they come out properly. Come on, girls. Don't be shy. Ooh, scary. You gonna take the leap? Do it, just do it.